I've been working with Dr. Wheeler for several years, and over the years she said that my teeth were kind of sensitive and that I was probably going to start having some problems with them over the next several years. So she started putting me on periodontal treatments, which was requiring deep cleanings in my teeth to try to alleviate some of the future discomfort she was expecting me to experience.
Charles is an interesting patient. He's just a wonderful man. He followed me from a previous practice, and he has a number of issues that we've worked with already. He was deeply concerned because he had some teeth that had to be removed, and this was a difficult decision for him. So that was one of the problems, and that leads to how are we going to go about restoring those areas, because those were chewing teeth. So he was concerned about how we were going to manage his chewing for the rest of his life, and whether or not we could do it in a way that was both comfortable and, quite frankly, nice looking.
From the minute I walked in the office, I felt like I was in a very friendly environment. The people here are very professional. They were wonderful. They helped me fill out the paperwork, made me feel very comfortable, and I was very pleased with the feelings I was getting with this dental office. And then when I went back and worked with the dental team back there, I felt like they were very professional, made me feel extremely comfortable, and did all the services that the doctor recommended that I have done.
Well, here's what we're noticing with Charles is that we did have to address some periodontal issues, and he has stepped up to the plate in a really positive way. He has made all of his appointments, he's committed, he's turned into an ideal patient, and we're really excited for him because we know that he's going to follow through and he's going to get the results that he's hoping for and expecting.
I feel very comfortable working with this agency. I've been to a lot of dental offices, but this one seems to be very unique, very special, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who's looking for a new dental experience. This would be a great organization and a great group of people to work with.